I will happily pay 600 rupees for a mediocre burger. But if an app asks me to pay a 40 rupees delivery fee, I will close the app, rethink my life choices, and go to sleep for dinner. It's the principle. Food delivery platforms know this. They know that human logic completely short circuits when we see the word FREE, free. So they gave us what we wanted, free delivery. Hmm. The only problem? They didn't actually remove the delivery fee. Welcome back to Pie in the Pound. Today, I'm going to show you the exact math of how these apps use behavioral economics to hide the fee inside your food, charge you a massive premium, and somehow make you thank them for it. In behavioral economics, what happens to our brains when we use these apps is tied to a concept called the zero price effect. So basically, when a cost drops to literally zero, rationality breaks down. We overvalue the free item and completely ignore the surrounding costs. Platforms like Zomato and Swiggy know this. So instead of charging you for the logistics of bringing the food to your door, they restructure the choice architecture. They hide the cost in plain sight. So now let's look at the actual numbers. I pulled the menu data for a standard order from a popular local restaurant. If you walk into the restaurant, a paneer tikka meal costs 300 rupees. But if you open your app and look at the exact same meal from the exact same restaurant, the baseline price is listed as 360 rupees. Now that is an immediate 20% markup baked directly into the menu price. So now let's say that you order food for 3 people. In store cost 900 rupees, app cost 1080 rupees. The app proudly tells you that you saved 50 rupees on delivery fees because you hit the minimum order threshold. Your brain registers a win. But mathematically, you just paid a hidden 180 rupees premium to save 50 rupees. This isn't just a sneaky UI trick, it's a textbook application of price discrimination. So, the algorithms are basically constantly calculating your maximum willingness to pay. They know that a consumer's friction point isn't the overall price, it's the line item labeled free. By artificially inflating the base price of the food, the platform extracts your consumer surplus while, making you feel like a savvy shopper. That markup covers the restaurant's commission to the app, the driver's pay, and the platform's profit. All while you celebrate getting something free. So, the next time you're scrolling for dinner and filter by free delivery, remember that in an algorithmic economy, nothing is free. You're just paying for it somewhere else on the receipt. If you want to see the actual math behind the systems controlling your daily life, drop a like and follow Pie in the Pound. Let me know in the comments what everyday economic trap you want me to calculate next. Thank you.